Para na pagkahapon mga tugang, ganyan po, pigigi po ang meeting kang Bicol Regional Athletic Association or PRAA dito po sa Schools Division of Legazpi City bilang paghahanda kang palarong pambansa duman po sa nagingibon po duman sa Norte. Kaya tapos na mga sports officials, division, sports division superintendents ng community para po pag-ugnayan ang magiging dalagan kang partisipasyon kang Region 5 para po sa palarong pambansa 2025 nagadibuon po naman sa Bigan, Ilocos. Nga po sila, di, tanganin po na kansimon ang partisipasyon, ang mga plano sa pagpasiring po naman mga po bulan ng Mayo.
Assistant Regional Director, Sir Lips, the Chief of the SSD Mojoan, the Regional Sports Officer, Sir Dex, my fellow superintendents, assistant superintendents, the Division Sports Officer, and other guests. Good afternoon to everyone and welcome to the Schools Division Office of Legazpi City. In this meeting, we would like to stress the very important message of this meeting where we need to step up and stand out to resonate well the spirit of sportsmanship. It symbolizes athletes in stepping up to many challenges and to stand out through our collective efforts, dedication, and teamwork. Again, welcome to the SDO of Legazpi City.
Headed by our SDS, together with our Division Sports Officer, Mr. Danilo Bonillo. From the SDO Camarines Department, headed by our SDS, Sir Cristito Marsilia, represented by the Chief of SDOD, Attorney Dino Morales, together with our Division Sports Officer, Mr. Nelson Gomez. From SDO Camarines Sur, headed by our SDS, Ma'am Norma Solantela, represented by the DSO, Ma'am Imelda Darno. From the SDO Catanduanes, we have our SDS, Cecil Fellow.
It's final. We will be sending our athletes, coaches, and other officials to Lawag on May 19 via airplane. There will be 2 flights on May 19, 2 flights on May 20. Then they will be back here on May 31 and June 1. Okay? So, final na po yan. But not all will be riding the charter plane. Hindi po kami kasama sa regional office, mga superintendent wala yata, hindi rin kasama. Ang mga athletes and coaches lang po, plus meron pang natirang more or less mga 50 plus, 75, pero ano kami ng bus.